Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video we'll be solving one very interesting and challenging question from JEE Advanced. Find the set of values of m for which exactly one root of the equation x square plus mx plus m square plus 6m equal to 0 lies in the interval -2, 0. We have one quadratic equation whose leading coefficient is +1. So a is positive. Parabola opening upward. If we will try to plot over here in the interval -2 and 0, exactly one root is there in this interval. F of -2 is negative, f of 0 is positive. We can conclude one inequality condition using intermediate value. F of -2 times f of 0, this product must be negative. As we have single root, so it will change sign from -2 to 0. Now our target is to find f of -2 and f of 0 to find the set of values of m. So let us assume f of x is our x square plus mx plus m square plus 6m. Now we will put x equal to -2 first to find the value of f of -2, which will be equal to -2 square plus m times -2 plus m square plus 6m will be equal to 4 minus 2m plus m square plus 6m, which will be equal to m square plus 4m plus 4, which is one perfect square of m plus 2. So we can write here this is m plus 2 whole square. Now we are going to put x equal to 0 to find the value of f0. So I will write by putting x equal to 0 over here, we will get f0 value, which will be equal to 0 square plus m times 0, 0 plus m square plus 6m. So we'll write here m square plus 6m. Now m is common. So we can get factors m times m plus 6. F of 0 is m times m plus 6. F of -2 is m plus 2 whole square. Now we will use intermediate value condition. F of -2 times f of 0. This product must be negative. So m plus 2 whole square times m plus 6 should be negative. Now in the interval -2 to 0 endpoints excluded, this will be always positive. So we will write m times m plus 6 must be negative. Now we can draw one number line for sign convention. So here we will write -6, here we will write 0. Let us write both the factors m plus 6. So when m is greater than 0, m must be positive, but before 0, m must be negative. When m is greater than -6, m plus 6 will be positive, but before -6, it will be negative. Now we have to check this product. Here we are getting negative. So we can write our set of m values. M should be greater than -6 and less than 0. But -2 and 0 are excluded points. So we will write here m belongs to -6 to -2 union -2 to 0. This is our answer so far. Now we are going to check 3 boundary conditions. So let me write here boundary conditions. First condition is f of 0 equal to 0. Second condition is f of -2 equal to 0. And third condition where we will be getting double roots. So I will write for double roots, discriminant must be equal to 0. So if we will check our first condition, I will write first condition here, f of 0 equal to 0. F of 0 is m times m plus 6 equal to 0. We will get m equal to 0 or m equal to -6. Both points are excluded points. So there is no constraint. Now second boundary condition is f of -2 equal to 0. So f of -2 is m plus 2 whole square equal to 0. So from here I will be writing m equal to -2, m equal to -2. Both points are excluded points. Excluded. Now we will check our third boundary condition, which is discriminant equal to 0 or double roots. So I will write here d equal to 0, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Now b is, equation is here, b is coefficient of x, so we will write m square minus 4 times 1 times c is m square plus 6m. So m square plus 6m equal to 0. Now we will simplify and write here minus 3m square minus 24m equal to 0. Now minus 3 is common, m is also common. In the bracket m plus 8 equal to 0. So from here we are getting m equal to 0, m equal to -8. Both points are excluded as per our answer. So there is no constraint for our answer. M belongs to -6 to -2 union -2 to 0. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.